How to jack up a car safely. Step 1. Park the car on level ground and pull up the parking brake. Leave manual transmission cars in first gear or reverse and put automatics in park. Step 2. Place a chalk or a brick behind or in front of, depending on the road's incline, the wheel diagonally opposite one being jacked up. Step 3. Place the jack under the car's frame nearest the wheel to be jacked up. There's a thin lip that runs along the side of your car. This is where the jack should go. Your owner's manual will have a picture of the safest place to put the jack. Bumper jacks will attach to slots in the front or rear bumper on older cars. Step 4. When the jack is in place, insert the handle according to the directions on the jack and turn or ratchet the handle to make the jack rise. If it lowers or cannot turn, rotate the handle the other way or flip the switch marked R and L for raise and lower. Step 5. Raise the jack high enough to either replace a flat tire or place the car on a jack stand, a sturdy temporary stand at a fixed height. If you're changing a flat, remember to leave extra room. The new tire will be full of air. Step 6. Lower the jack when you're finished. Be cautious and go slowly. If you've used a jack stand, before lowering the jack you will need to raise the car slightly to pull the stand from its place.